Hello YouTube, today at powerjackrepair.org we got an Asus Q524u. That's what it says right there. By the way, is that the best quality we can get here? I just hope everything is nicely focused. Alrighty, so let's take the laptop apart. Client states that the jack is faulty right here. It's a common jack to fail, so I'm not surprised. So we got a Torx 5 screwdriver. Alright, so the reason you want to subscribe to this channel is so that you could see my yearly video of which brands of laptops I would recommend and which ones I wouldn't spend my money on. Again, that's just my personal opinion. There is more than 1000 plus videos on this channel of different laptop makes and models being repaired, and I'm pretty much the #1 person probably in the world who have seen more laptops being taken apart and fixed. So I probably have the best opinion in regards to which laptop I would spend my money on. Again, you could spend your money on any laptop you want, but I got my I mean, when it comes to cars, you know that Toyota is a reliable car, and if you're not a tall person, most of the Toyotas are made for not really tall people, right? So there is really no other choice besides Toyota. Or, I mean, you could always buy a Range Rover if you have all the money in the world, which I would like to have one day, but, by fixing laptops, I don't think I would get to the Range Rover anytime soon, if ever. Anyway, so let's see. Okay, somebody already took the laptop before, because that screw right here is pretty much done. Somebody tried to unscrew the screw or something. Oh, that screw is not even from this Opera. All right. There might be 2 screws right here. Might be. So just before you're gonna open this up, just wait and see. Maybe there is no screws there. No, there is no screws there. So that means you can break the shell apart already. So here. Alrighty. Like that. We take a guitar pick and we try and separate the shell. Alrighty. And somebody was already working on the jack before, and they didn't do a bad job. Everything looks fine. Strange. Should be working fine, no? Let's take a look. Yeah, so you could see right away. Let me switch the camera. You see the rear 2 pins are broken off the motherboard already, so it doesn't matter. They basically make no contact right now to the board. So let's take this whole thing completely apart. Once I find my favorite tool. Alright, let's clean up all of this stuff. So we take the battery out. We disconnect. I like to disconnect this side right here. Alright. Alrighty. So this is going out like that. Then we got this guy. Take this guy apart like that. Like that. All right, so all of that. This I already disconnected. Yeah, I did. Strange. Didn't see that coming. All right, so that's like that. And this like that. Okay. Those guys like that. We got 4 screws right here on the hinge which we had to remove. Let me show you a bit better all of the positions of the screws. Alright. Alrighty. Good job. Now let's see if we can just take this whole piece out of here. Oh yeah, we have to open up the hinge a little bit so that everything would be like that. This we're gonna put on later on. All right, so we got some few components right here in the back which we want to insulate with the, usually it's a Kapton tape. You can put just some Kapton tape. It's much more cheaper than what we use here. We use the high, well, let me show you where I'm gonna use the Kapton tape. We're gonna use Kapton tape right here, like that. Like that, because those components are a bit farther away and they don't really come off the motherboard that easy, like the one from the other side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some flux to the joints right there, add some brand new solder, and the new solder gonna mix with the old solder, and we would be able to pop it right out using the hot air. My only concern is there are metal pieces stuck in those traces in the back because the legs are broken. It might take some time to get those rear 2 legs out, but nothing that I haven't seen here before. Again, 1000+ videos. Videos alone, you know, that's only when I have time to make videos. Over the last 20 years. Well, no, I mean, as soon as YouTube opened up, we started to make videos. Yeah, we don't have too many subscribers because, I mean, besides the jacks, really, what else can I show you here? Anyways, let me show you how to remove this guy. Alrighty, so what we got is plugs right here, right there, and right there. Alright. Now what we're gonna do next is put some support under the jack, power up the hot air station. We can even do it without the hot air, but it's gonna flow much easier here. Come on. Come out, come out. Alright. Good job. All right, looks good. Shoot. Ow. Twice. Burned my finger twice. Where's my best support for this thing? I can't find it. I had a really good... Anyways, hold on one second. Unbelievable. How could I? I mean, one piece goes missing from the table and I burn my fingers twice in a row. Alrighty, so we removed the thermal compound. Now we have to find a jack like that, which I know I have. Alrighty, so let's continue. Let's add some flux right here, right here, right there, and right there. Alright. Okay. The key here is to keep it up in the air and make sure the rear will be soldered in just fine here. Looks ideal to me. Let's clean up this mess right here. And let's clean up this mess right there. And it's gonna look better than the factory. All right. Looks good. Alrighty. Before we're gonna assemble everything back, we wanna test to make sure there is no shortages. Alright, there is no shortage here. That's a negative. And it goes right there. I'm not sure why this one is not responsive right here, the data signal. It might be just like this system doesn't use a data signal. Yep. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does. We will know for sure once we assemble it back. Alright, so we're gonna put it like that. Oh, you know what? I see the problem. We have to cut this guy a little bit because it's bent, and that's one of the reasons why there is a pressure on the jack. Okay, come on. Okay, that's good. Garbage that. Yep, wonderful. Let's put this guy like that. like that, like that. And like that. And for some reason, something here doesn't wanna close down. Okay, like that. It's gonna be able to close down. All right, looks looks ideal to me. Okay. Okay. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Fantastic. Excellent. Okay, so let's screw down the hinge right here. Okay. All right. All right. All right, so we got 4 screws for the hinge. Okay, guys, if it's not too much trouble, just press a like button. Helps out the channel a lot. And I think I'm going above and beyond in describing everything what's happening here. Okay, something isn't... Okay, right here. Okay. Like that. And like that. Touchscreen cable goes here. Let's see what else we got. We got a few more screws. I think this one is not from the super. This one is going in here. I'm just putting the shortest screws into those sockets. And the battery seems to be dying already. Okay. What else? Right here. Okay. Let's put the... Let's connect the Wi-Fi cables. Okay. And the battery is dead. Let's put it on the charger. All right, so let's charge up. And we want to find the screwdriver, which we're gonna use to screw down the rest of it. Where else? Right here. All right, so this guy connected. Connected. This guy connected. Let me connect this guy right here. Okay, like that. Good job. Excellent, excellent. Wonderful, looks good. All right, let's finish up with the casing on top. You know, I want to put some tape on top of the jack, so it would be shorting against the casing in case it ever want to short against the casing. So we're gonna put it like that, like that, like that, and like that. I don't remember if I connected the battery or not. Well, we will find out in a second. Usually leave the battery for the last. I don't think I connected the battery. Let me power it up, see if the battery is connected or not. Okay. All right, here we got the charge light, but it doesn't mean that the battery is connected. Doesn't mean anything. Where is the power button here? Yeah, here on the side is the power button. All right, and we're still searching for Incredible. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. Again, we'll let you know the models. Wow, it's an i7 GeForce. That's an expensive laptop. So hopefully I connected the battery, because otherwise I just have to take the casing apart again. No big deal. All right. Okay, guys. How to screw the rest of it, you know. How to take it apart, you know. Good luck and take care and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.